third graders, we're back again to teach you more about fractions. Today, we're going to continue teaching you how to identify parts of a whole. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to complete one Introduction to Fractions activity on Seesaw. Send it to Mrs. Cunningham.
Hi guys, I miss you so much. Can't wait till we're together again. Okay, so what I have here today, I have some fraction bars that I want you to take a look at. So for my first fraction bar, I have one whole. This is one whole piece. It has not been split just yet into its equal parts. Here, I have two parts. So if I were to take one piece away, I have one part here, one part here. These are my two equal parts. These are two halves. Here I have thirds. I have one part, two parts, three parts. They are all equal, three equal parts. They are called thirds. Here, this fraction bar is split into four equal parts. 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. I have 4/4. Here we have fifths, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5. As you guys can see, if I split them apart, they are all equal. When I push them back together, I have 5/5. And then for the last fraction bar, this one has been split into sixths. 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6. I have 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6, 6/6. 6/6 equals one whole. So now I have a student here with me.
Hi, everyone.
And she is going to be answering some questions. What I would like for you to do is to try to answer the questions before she does. Remember, your goal is to be able to identify parts of a whole. So when I ask her a question, I want you guys to try to answer it first. We're going to pause before she answers it. Okay, are you ready?
I am.
Okay, so my first example here, how many parts do I have?
1, 2, two equal parts.
I have two equal parts. If you had to write that as a fraction, what would your unit fraction be? What part of this is blue? What fraction is blue?
One part out of two parts.
So her fraction would be 1/2. Very good.
Thank you.
Here I have four equal parts. Remember, we call those fourths. I want to know what fraction of those parts are green.
1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4. So that would be 1/4. One part out of four equal parts.
Very good. I hope you guys are keeping up. Okay, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. So these are fifths. I want to know, and listen to me clearly, what fraction is red?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 5 equal parts. So 4/5 is red. 4 out of 5
Do you guys
is red.
agree or disagree? I think I agree. She's doing great. I hope you guys are doing great too at home. Okay. So I have one more example for you with these. So I have six. I have 6 equal parts here. I want to know what fraction of these equal parts is green.
1, 2, 3, 4 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my fraction of green is 4/6. 4 out of 6 are green.
Excellent job.
Thank you.
So we all know that we love chocolate. So I'm going to open up this Kit Kat. And I want you guys to answer this question. How many parts are in this Kit Kat? How many pieces do we have? Good job. I hear most of you guys out there saying that you have 2 equal parts. I want to know, what fraction did Miss Cunningham just eat?
Are you ready? I know.
Okay, tell him, Mr. Dini.
1 part out of 2 equal parts. She ate 1/2 of that Kit Kat.
Very good.
Thank you.
And the Kit Kat was actually very good as well. Okay, we have one more Kit Kat. Now I have a huge Kit Kat. Oh, this Kit Kat is beautiful.
Oh.
This is a fancy white chocolate Kit Kat. I have how many pieces here all together?
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts.
So 4 would be my denominator. I want to know what my numerator would be if this is what remains.
Oh. So if you ate 1 part out of the 4 equal pieces,
What part remains?
Oh, what part remains?
What part remains?
Yes.
What would my numerator
Listen
be?
closely. 3 parts out of 4 parts remain. So the fraction would be 3/4 of the Kit Kat remains.
Very nice job.
Thank you.
Okay, so I'm going to show you guys one more example. You know, in all 3 classes, we love Skittles. So I have some Skittles here. I want you guys to count the Skittles with me so that we can figure out our denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's my whole. That's how many Skittles I have all together. I want to know what fraction of the Skittles are blue.
Blue. I'm counting 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are blue. So my fraction blue would be 1/5.
Very good. Okay, I'm going to do one last example before we wrap up. I hope you guys are getting the hang of how to identify parts of a whole. Right now I have 1, 2, 3 Skittles. So 3 is my denominator. That is my whole. I want to know what fraction of these Skittles are purple.
Purple. 1, 2 out of 1, 2, 3. So my fraction of purple Skittles would be 2/3. 2 out of 3 are purple.
Good job.
Thank
Good
you.
job.
I love how fractions are real. Real life fractions.
Absolutely. Especially with that Kit Kat. It was yummy.
I love Skittles.
Hey guys, I hope you didn't think I forgot about you too. You need to check out Seesaw right now. And on Seesaw, there's an activity that talks about intro to fractions. So make sure that you're answering those questions so that Mr. Zini, Miss Cunningham, and I can see what you've learned about fractions. Bye guys.